Subject is math and the class is grade 1. Today our topic is subtraction. First of all, we need to know what is subtraction. सबसे पहले हमें ये जानना है कि subtraction क्या है. Subtraction means taking something away from a group of numbers or thing. बहुत से numbers में से कुछ numbers को या बहुत सी चीज़ों में से कुछ चीज़ों को कम करना या इनको घटाना subtraction कहलाता है. Hope you understand the definition of subtraction. Now tell me which symbol we use for subtraction. हम subtraction के लिए कौन सा symbol use करते हैं? We use this minus sign for subtraction. हम subtraction के लिए ये minus sign use करते हैं. Hope you understand. Now here are some examples of subtraction. Let's come and solve them. Here is example. Oh wow, here are some balls. Let's count how many balls are there. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 balls. If I take one ball, then how many balls are left over? Do you know? Let's count. 1, 2. There are 2 balls left over. Let's move on to the next example. Here are some green apples. Do you like apples? Let's count how many apples are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 apples. If you and your friends eat 6 apples, then tell me how many apples are left over. Do you know? Let's count. 1, 2. There are 2 apples left over. Now, let's move on to the next example. Oh wow! Here are some flowers, some yellow flowers. Let's count how many flowers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 flowers. If you remove one flower, then how many flowers are left over? Do you know? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 flowers left over. Hope you understand. Let's move on to the next example. Oh wow, here are some yummy apples. Let's count how many apples are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 apples. If a boy eats 3 apples, then how many apples are left over? Let's count. 1, 2. Oh, there are 2 apples left over. Oh, but don't be sad. Here are some bananas also. Let's count how many bananas are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 bananas. I like bananas. If I eat 3 bananas, then how many bananas are left over? Tell me. Let's count. 1. Oh. There is 1 banana left over. Let's move on to the next example. Oh wow, you have some apples, some red apples. Let's count how many apples you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh wow, you have 5 apples. If you give 2 apples to your friends, then how many apples are left over? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 apples left over. Let's move on to the next example. Oh wow, here are some bananas. Let's count how many bananas are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wow, there are 4 bananas. If you eat 3 bananas, then how many bananas are left over? Let's count. 1. Oh, there is 1 banana left over. Let's move on to the next example. Oh wow, here are some chickens. Do you know how many chickens are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 chickens. Oh, a man caught some chickens. Oh, if a man caught 3 chickens, then how many chickens are left over? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there are 3 chickens left over. Hope you understand how to subtract numbers. Okay, dear students, now I have put some examples and you have to solve it by yourself. Hope you do it well. Let me explain. Here are some carrots. Let's count how many carrots are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 carrots. If I eat 2 carrots, then how many carrots are left over? Yes, tell me. Yes, there are 4 carrots left over. Very good. Oh wow, here are some strawberries also. Let's count how many strawberries are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, here are 8 strawberries. If you eat 5 strawberries, then how many strawberries are left over? Tell me. Yes, there are 3 strawberries left over. Oh wow, you do it. Okay, these are the examples. You have to solve it by yourself. Hope you all will do well. Okay, students, now we are going to do subtraction. Here are some examples of subtraction. Let's come and solve. The first question is 4 minus 2. In this question, we will subtract 2 from 4. In subtraction using number line, we use backward counting. Yes, we use backward counting. The question is 4 minus 2. नंबर लाइन में सब्ट्रैक्शन करने के लिए हम बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग को यूज़ करते हैं. सो इस क्वेश्चन में हमने 4 में से 2 नंबर्स को माइनस करना है. तो हम नंबर लाइन में से 4 नंबर्स में से बैकवर्ड 2 नंबर्स की काउंटिंग करेंगे. लाइक दिस. काउंट विद मी स्टूडेंट्स. 1, 2. Very good. So what number comes? Do you know? Yes, tell me. Very good. 2. Yes, the answer is 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Oh wow, here is another example. Let's come and solve. The question is 10 minus 3. In this question, we will subtract 3 from 10. हम नंबर लाइन में 10 में से 3 नंबर्स तक की बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग करेंगे. लेट्स काउंट. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. So what number comes? Do you know? Yes, tell me. Very good. 7. The answer is 7. Very good. When we subtract 3 from 10, the answer will be 7. Very good. Oh wow, it's so simple. So dear students, here also I have put some examples of subtraction and you have to solve by yourself. Okay, hope you all will do well.
Now your home task, do page number 7 in your book. Thanks for watching this video. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.